In this video, we will go over how to connect your headset to your computer. There are two common types of headset connectors. A single plug that controls both the microphone input and audio output, and a two plug, one controlling the mic input and the other controlling the headphone. In order to connect your headset to your computer or laptop, you must first identify how many audio jacks your computer has. The laptop on the right has one audio jack, while the laptop on the left has two. One controlling microphone and the other controlling the headphone. Let's focus on the headset on the right with a single plug. Connecting the headset with a single plug to the laptop on the right that has one audio jack is simple. In order to connect the same headset to the laptop on the left with two audio jacks, you'll need one of two converters. The first converter will split the microphone and the audio out channels. The second converter will convert the plug to a USB connection. Let's use the converter that splits the microphone plug from the headphone plug. We'll connect the converter to the headset and then identify which is the microphone plug and which is the headphone plug. We'll match up the microphone plug to the microphone jack and the headphone plug to the headphone jack. Alternatively, you can connect using USB. We'll take the USB converter and connect that to the headset, and take the USB end and connect it to the USB port. And that's how you connect a headset with just one plug into your computer. Next, we'll look at how to connect a headset with two plugs to your computer or laptop. In order to connect a headset with two plugs to your computer or laptop, you need to first identify which plug controls the microphone and which plug controls the headphone. In this case, the left plug controls the microphone and the right plug controls the headphone. To connect this headset to a laptop or computer with two audio jacks, you match up the microphone plug to the microphone jack and the headphone plug to the headphone jack. In order to connect this headset into a computer or laptop that only has one audio jack, you'll need a converter. This converter allows you to connect your headset with two plugs to a USB port. If you notice, there are no markings for microphone or headphones, but they are color-coded. When you take a look at the different plugs, you'll notice that the microphone will be pink or red on some headphones, and the headphone will be marked green. We just match up the pink with the pink and the green with the green. Now you can plug in the USB into the side of this laptop. And that's how you connect a headset with two plugs to your computer.